Hello friends and welcome to the class of mathematics. In our previous video we just learned about the concept of set, then type of set and the related problems. So in today's video or in today's class we just learn about the operation on the set. So there are some operation on the set such as intersection of set, union of set, disjoint of set. Okay, so let's learn the first operation, that is intersection of set. First is the intersection of set. I just write two sets on the board. Set A contain the element 1, 3, 5, 7 and set B contain the element 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay. So there are 4 elements in set A. It is read as n of A. So n of A is 4, number of element in set A is 4, number of element in set B is 4. So the elements are 1, 3, 5, 7 in A. Element of B is 2, 3, 5, 8 in B. We just find the A intersection B. So if you find the intersection, we just think about the common element present in the set. So which are the common element here? 3 is also present in A, 3 is also present in B, 5 is present in A, 5 is present in B. What is the meaning of intersection is you just take the common element from the given set. So which are the common element here? 3 and 5. So our intersection A intersection B is equal to 3 and 5. Okay, let's draw the Venn diagram. Yesterday I just told you that Venn diagram is a very logical thinking way, or it is a logical thinking process. You can think, you can do every problem related to the Venn diagram. Okay, I just draw the Venn diagram of A intersection B. So this is my A. So there are common element in present A and B. This is A, this is B. So which element present in A? 1, 3, 5, 7. So 3 and 5 is common in A and B. So here is 1, here is 7. So the set A contain 1, 3, 5, 7 and set B contain 2 and 8. That is 2, 3, 5, 8. So this is a common part. I just shaded with some red part here. So this is the common part and common element is called as intersection of set. So what is the common element here is 3 and 5. So this is referred as A intersection B. So next operation is disjoint of a set. Okay. So I just write two set. Again set A is 1, 3, 5. Set B is equal to 7, 8. Okay. Now just see the elements and which element are present in A, that is 1, 3, 5. Which element are present in B, 7 and 8. Okay. So in our we just see the intersection means there is common element present. So can you see any common element between A and B? Okay, there is no common element between A and B. Not a single common element is present. So when there is no common element present, that set are called as disjoint of set. Okay, we just find the intersection of this one, A intersection B. So intersection of disjoint set. Is there any common element? No. So no common element means intersection of disjoint set is always 5. Empty set is denoted by 5. So there are some properties of intersection of set. So I just write all the properties. I will explain one by one with the given example. A is subset 1, 2, 3, 4. B is set, that is 2, 3, 7. So what is A intersection B? A intersection B is 2, 3. So this is common element present in A and B. Okay. Now, so this symbol is referred as intersection. So this is a symbol inverse U, that is a symbol of intersection. Now, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. If I take the intersection of A and B, it is same as intersection of B and A. So A intersection B is B intersection A. Now next is if A is subset of B, then A intersection B is A. So A is subset of B. I write A, here is 2, 3, 7 and B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Okay, I just take this one. Small problem. A is subset of B. Look here, 2, 3 present in 2, 3. In our previous video, we just learn about the subset. Every element is present in that set is called as subset. So A is subset of B here. Okay, now we just find the intersection. What is the intersection here? A intersection B. So intersection is 2, 3. So 2, 3. So what the property says? If A is a subset of B, so this problem, A is a subset of B, then A intersection B is A. Look here, A intersection B. What the element here? 2, 3. And which element are present in A? That is 2, 3. Okay, so this is proved. Next, if A intersection B is equal to B, then B is a subset of A. Reverse way, this problem is there. So here, I just take this one. So now look here. So B included 2, 3, A 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the intersection? 2, 3. Now here B is a subset of A. So B is a subset of A. What is your A intersection B? 2, 3. That is B. Okay. So intersection part is very much easy. You just concentrate the common element present in both set. Okay. Now next is A intersection B is subset of A and A intersection B is subset of B. Very simple one. Look here. A intersection B is a subset of A. Yes. A intersection B is subset of B. Yes. 2, 3 present in A. Yes. That is subset of. So A intersection B is subset of A and A intersection is subset of B also. Okay. Now next is A intersection A dash is phi. Okay. Let's we prove it. A intersection A dash. So we just prove the A intersection A dash is phi. I take universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just take the set A as 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in our previous video, we just learned about the complement of set. A, what is a complement? Complement means we just delete the element of given set from universe, and what is the remaining is called complement. So I just find the complement of A dash 2, 3, 4, delete from U, that is complement is 1 and 5. Now I just find the A intersection A dash. So A intersection A dash. So can you think any common element between A and A dash? No, because complement means deleting element and write from the universal set. So there is no element present in A intersection A dash. So this is fine, empty set. Okay. Now next is A intersection A is A. So A is 2, 3, 4. Again intersection of A means only common element 2, 3, 4. A is also 2, 3, 4. So A intersection A is always A. Okay. Now A intersection phi is phi. So I just take this one A and I just take phi as this one. No common element. So phi, no any single element present in phi. Now can you think any common element between 2, 3, 4 and nothing? So common element is nothing. No common element present. So if I take the intersection A intersection phi, what I get? I get phi. So next operation is a union of set. Union means we just add the all element of set and to form a set. Okay. I just write two set. I just write set A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So I just write set B. Here is P, Q, R, A, B. Now, so the set A contain A, B, C, D, E. Set B contain P, Q, R, A, B. Now I just have the union of these two sets. What is union? Union means you just add means just collect all the element of given set. So it is written as A union B. This is the symbol of union and it is read as A union B. So I just take all element of A and all element of B here. But one property we know that if there is a common element or element is repeated, we just write that element only once time. Okay. Now I just write all element of A, B, C, D, E, all element of P, Q, R. But AB is already we just written. So what is the rule to write a set? In listing method, the element are written only once. So what are the elements of A intersection union B? Here is A, B, C, D, E P, Q, R. Means we just collect all the element of the given set. So we just see the properties of union of set. So I just write all the properties and explain one by one with the given problem. Okay, I just write here set A, 1, 2, 3, set B, 4, 5, 6, 1, 7. Okay, now we just prove all this property with the given example. Now A union B is equal to B union A. I just write the A union B, A union B. So collect all the element from A and all the element from B. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 is come here also it is come 2 times. But what is our rule? It is written only once. Okay. Now B union A, it is also same one, because we are collecting A to 1, B to 1 and B and A. So A union B is always equal to B union A. So second is, if A is subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. Okay. So B is a subset of A. I just write, sorry, A is a subset of B. I just write one problem here. A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what the property says? A is a subset of B. Yes. A is a subset of B. Every element of A 1, 2 present in B 1, 2. Now we just find the union. What is union here? A union B. So we just collect all the elements. So what is the elements here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2 is repeated twice. We just write in once only. So what is A union B? So look here. A union B contain element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is B contain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A union B is equal to B when A is a subset of B. Okay. So what is next here? A is subset of A union B and B is subset of A union B. So it is very simple one, because we are adding that two set. So A contain the element 1, 2 that is present in A union B. So A is the subset of A union B. What the B contain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the A union B contain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means B is also subset of A union B. Okay. Now next. So we just prove the next property. A union A dash is equal to U. I just write here U 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just write A 2, 3. I just find A dash. So complement of A, the element present in A, we are deleting from U. So 2, 3 get cancelled. Here is 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we just find the A union A dash. A union A dash. So what is A union A dash? So element of A and element of A dash we are collecting in one bracket, one curly bracket. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And look here, U contain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A union A dash also contain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means A union A dash is U. So next is A union A is A. Obviously A contain 1, 2. So union of 1, 2 and union of 1, 2. So here is A contain 2, 3. So A union A dash also contain 2, 3. That means A union A is always A. And next is A union phi. So I just write A is equal to dVj. I just write phi. Nothing element, no element is present. So you just have union of A union phi. So what is A union phi? So element of A dVj, element of phi, no element present in phi. So union is dVj. So that is A. So A union phi is A. So we just draw the Venn diagram of the given set. So set A contain 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B contain 2, 3. What is union here is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is intersection here is 2, 3. So this is the given set. Here is A, here is set B. Okay. Now what the union 1, 2, 3, 4. So but common is 2 and 3. Here is 1, 2. Sorry, 1 and 4. So this is a set A. A 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the second set? 2, 3. So no element present in uncommon thing. So common element are 2, 3. So if I write this way, so this part is referred as intersection, we just explained before, and all this is called as A union B. Okay, so you are solving the problems related to union, intersection and disjoint of a set, and they using the property. Okay, now I just draw the, here is Venn diagram, here is A, B, this is universal part. Okay, so we just find the given things. So what is set A? Set A contain the element. So look here, set A contain this one, set A, here is, just start with set A. So which elements are present? X, Y, Z, M, N. So set A contain X, Y, Z, M, N. Okay. Now, what is set B? Set B contain, look here, this is set B. Which elements are present? P, Q, R, M, N. So this is set B. Very simple one. So I just hide A. So this is set B. So set B contain P, Q, R, M, N. Now, next part is A union B. We just explained before, A union B means all the elements present in this part. This A only, intersection and B only. So, A union B contain the three part, A only, intersection part and B only. Okay. Now, adding all together or joining all together, what's the element present? X, Y, Z, M, N. So Mn is, we are taking from this side, so another no chance to take twice. Okay, so here is P, Q, R. Next part is A intersection B. So intersection is this part. Only common element present in P, A and B. So only Mn. So M, N. Next is U, universe. So universal contain all this one, A set, B set and the remaining two element. So union contain the element of A, element of B, and what's the remaining here in U? S and T, which are not in A, but it is in U. So U contain X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R, S and T. Okay, this is a U part, universal set. Now, next is A union B, complement. So A union B present in here, look at the number 3. So this is, we are using universe. So 3 and 5. So A union B. A union B is here. So intersect complement of A union B. So we just delete all this element from U. What you get? So here is X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R. X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R. Well, what's the remaining only? That is ST. Because A union B contain this element. We are deleting from U. We just find the complement. So A union B complement is ST. Next we just find the A intersection B. So A intersection B is Mn. So deleting that element from U. So I just get Mn delete, what you get? X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, ST. Because this is the common element. This is common element. So when you take the complement, we are deleting the element of intersection from U. So what the remaining element? We are writing in A intersection B complement. So we just have one problem here, and verifying A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. Now the problem is given. I just find initially A intersection B. So A intersection B. What is the common element between A and B? I just find here is only one element present. That is 11. Okay. Now, A intersection B complement. So A intersection B complement. So we are deleting that element from U. What you get here? You get here is 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10. We are deleting 11 cancel. Here is 12, 13, 15. So this is my first part over. I just find A complement. So A complement is 1, 11, 13 deleting from U. What I get here is 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12 and 15. Okay. Now I just find B complement. What is B complement here? Deleting this all element from U. What I get here. Okay. Now percentage here is 1, 3, 5 is there. 8 is also present there. 10 is also there. So remaining is 9. What's remaining? 11 also present. 12, 13, 15 is also present. So So 8, 5, 10, 11, 15. 8. So cancelling 8, 5, 10, 11, 15. What I get? 1, 3, 9, 12, 13. 1, 3, 9, 12, 13. Okay. Now I want to find the union of A complement, union B complement. A complement, union B complement. Okay. Now what I get? I just add all the elements of A dash and B dash. So here is 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 15. Okay, now look here, A intersection B complement and A complement union B complement. I get the same element 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 15. Okay, so this is a De Morgan law. We are proving it. A union B complement is equal to A complement, A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay, then very simple problem is there. Find n intersection W. N is a set of natural number. The number contain 1, 2, 3 and so on. So I just write n. This is very fast way. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. What is W? W is a set of whole number. So elements are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Now I just find the intersection of n intersection W. Okay. So n intersection W means only common element present. So which common element present? 1, 2, 3, 4 so on and 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. So n intersection W. So which element, which set is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. That is n. So n intersection W is n. So in our properties of intersection of set, we just say n is a subset of W. Then n intersection W is also n. Okay. So if you are having any problem related to the intersection, union, their properties and problem, you just comment me or direct call me. I just solve your all properties, and for the fun of mathematics, you just see my channel DV Joshi, subscribe it and enjoy it.